Welcome everyone to Perfect Storm Trading. Today I'm going to follow up just a little bit on what I was showing yesterday on the pH chart and how I trade some of the setups and how some of them are very powerful. The red arrows here represent our normal timing setups every day, and as you can see, these were pretty decent in the morning, the two in the morning. This one here, which is usually a lot stronger, got caught in this big downdraft and just didn't force the market back up. The fourth one, which is pretty strong, this one ended up just going sideways, basically. Went down, went up, went down, so it didn't do a whole lot. So what I'm going to focus on a little bit is these green arrows. The green arrows today represent on Fridays, we have this aqua day here. This is Venus time, and on this day, for some reason, Venus isn't always the strongest. If you look at its pivot times and stuff, where its sub times in right here was decent, but a lot of times they're on and off. But on Fridays, at least every other Friday, this gray line really takes over at the start of this gray hour here and the start of this gray hour here. These are two really big times every other week. Not every week, but every other week. So today this ended up hitting the morning low here at 227 right on the minute. And if you look at the second one, where the second started at, it ended up being the high of the day to the minute. If you look back then at each gray block, this one here was one of two that was kind of weak. This one, we had a down move. We would expect a trend change, start to move back this way. It didn't. On the third one, we hit this high right here. I think we were like 1 minute off if you zoom in real close on that. The fourth one, right on the minute, right when the market took off and exploded, and went up about 8 points. Wasn't huge, but was still a pretty good move. The fifth one hit right here. I think it was like 1 minute off of this little high here. We had 1 or 2 minutes right here, but it started a decent down move. The sixth one come in right here, right on this little bottom, move back up. As you can see, it's hitting almost every pivot. Didn't hit this one. Went from here to here to here to here to here to here. As you come down here, we didn't get a one till we got to right here. This is the seventh, I believe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we made a pretty good down move off of this. And then it came down here. This is the eighth move on this whole setup again. I pull it down just a hair, and we're just like 1 minute off this little bar going down, the lowest candlestick. So this one made a really nice move. Went back up 10 points. This was the other one that was weak. Was right here. This one and this one, these two were weak. This one right here is still playing out, but we hit a bottom here on this 1454 bar. But that's all today. It'll be a review of a little bit what we was doing yesterday with the Jupiter bars and stuff. But today, even though this is a Venus day, this gray bars really take over and control all the major little pivots in here. Next week, I'm going to be going over a little bit longer term trading. This is your day trading, intraday trading. Next week I'm going to be reviewing a little bit more of short to medium term swings, intra-week at least, and we'll be going over that. Thanks for watching.